Ahrefs is another good example to use. You can enter a URL here. Now this one is for my hair mask recipes example. Now you'll see right off the bat it says there are 6,600 backlinks and over 853 domains. But if you look up top, I have selected for the domain and any page within that site. So I want to look only at the exact URL because again, Google is only looking at that particular web page, not the entire site. So that takes it down to 20 backlinks with only 16 referring domains. So this is more realistic. This is going to give me a better idea of what I would need to do as far as backlinks are concerned to outrank this site. So if I go back to my hair mask recipes search in Google, I can see here the first one has 55 links, followed by 0 links, 3 links, 28 links, 0 links, 41 links. So you can see the number of links is relatively low. That tells me I have a good chance as well to outrank these web pages. If you decide to sign up for SEMrush, you will be able to access all of this information there as well. The SEO Quake extension you installed pulls the backlink information from SEMrush, so you can use this tool to get the same information as well. SEMrush also has a backlink comparison tool, so you can compare 2 competitor sites or even a competitor site against your own to see how you stand against competitors as far as backlinks are concerned. So that's a really neat feature. Taking the time to analyze your competition doesn't take too much time, but it is such an important step in analyzing the keywords you want to rank for. After doing research on your keyword competitors, you can feel confident that you are targeting keywords you can actually rank for.